Today, let's take a closer look at how a high-precision flatbed die is manufactured and the different stages it goes through before it is ready for production. The manufacturing process starts with the flatbed die design. Once the design is finalized, it is transferred to the laser cutting die board machine. At this stage, the die board is cut according to the exact digital design. The machine follows the programmed dimensions and contours with high precision, ensuring that every detail of the flatbed die is accurately reproduced. Once the laser cutting process is completed, the die board moves to the next stage, rule preparation. Here, the flatbed die design is transferred to the auto rule bender machine. This machine produces the steel rules according to the required shapes, sizes, and specifications of the die design. The auto rule bender provides a high level of precision and consistency, which is essential for achieving accurate cutting and creasing performance. After the rules are produced, they are carefully transferred to an experienced technician for manual finishing and inspection. Using a manual bender, the expert makes the necessary adjustments to ensure that every rule is perfectly shaped and accurately matches the required dimensions. Each rule is then carefully inspected. The technician checks its shape, length, angles, and overall accuracy to make sure it corresponds exactly with the flatbed die design. Once the rules pass inspection, they are precisely installed into the die board by an experienced die-making professional. This is a highly important stage because every rule must be positioned accurately according to the design. Even a small deviation can affect the final cutting and creasing quality. The same process is repeated for every required rule, with each piece carefully prepared, inspected, and fixed into its correct position. Step by step, the flatbed die takes its final shape. From precision laser cutting to automated rule bending, followed by manual finishing, detailed inspection, and expert rule fixing, every stage contributes to the final accuracy and performance of the die. And finally, once all the rules are perfectly installed and the entire die has been carefully checked, the flatbed die is complete and ready for use.